Should you open a Roth IRA for your teen? What if your teenager could retire a millionaire without ever earning a six-figure salary? Sounds crazy, doesn't it? But thanks to the power of compound interest and a little-known tool called the Custodial Roth IRA, that dream is actually possible. And the best part? It's not about getting rich quick. It's about getting started early. Because when time and smart investing work together, even small amounts of money can grow into something huge. Let's be honest, most of us didn't learn this stuff growing up. We were told to work hard, save what we can, and hopefully retire someday. But what if we could change that narrative for our kids? What if instead of waiting until they're 30 to learn about investing, we gave them a 10, 15, or even 20-year head start? That's what a custodial Roth IRA can do. It gives teens the chance to start building wealth while they're still figuring out life. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what a Roth IRA is, how a custodial Roth IRA works for teens, and the simple steps you can take as a parent to open one, fund it, and help your child build a financial future starting with their very first paycheck. So whether they're babysitting, bagging groceries, or running a side hustle, their earned income can go to work for them right now. So stick around. This could be one of the smartest financial decisions you've ever made for your family. Hi, I'm Greg Hardy, and welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things personal finance, investing, and building a financially secure future. So if you're serious about taking control of your finances, learning something new every week, and giving your kids a financial head start, make sure to subscribe. One click helps grow this community and gets this knowledge out to more families who need it. Thank you. Let's first start with the basics. A Roth IRA is a type of retirement account where you contribute after-tax money. That means your teen pays taxes on their earnings now, but all the growth and withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free. So imagine your teen investing a few $100s a year and decades later being able to withdraw tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars without paying a penny in taxes. That's the magic of a Roth IRA. For 2025, the maximum contribution limit to a Roth IRA is $7,000, but your teen can only contribute up to what they actually earn. So if they make $3,000 from a part-time job during the year, that's their contribution cap. Still, that's a powerful start. Even small, consistent contributions can turn into some serious money over time thanks to compound interest. Now here's the kicker. Most teens aren't thinking about retirement. They're focused on school, sports, social life, and maybe earning enough for a new phone or some freedom on the weekends. But that's exactly why this moment is so important. Starting young gives them the one advantage you can't buy later: time. Just $1 invested at age 15 can grow into $20 or more by retirement with just average returns. And your teen won't owe a dime in taxes on those gains. I mean, this is a game changer. While most people wait until their 30s or 40s to begin investing, your teen could be decades ahead. And by the time their friends are just starting to think about retirement, your child's Roth IRA could already be working hard in the background, growing, compounding, and setting them up for financial freedom. The best part is, parents, you can guide this journey. You can help open the account, encourage them to save a portion of their earnings, and even contribute yourself as a gift, as long as it doesn't exceed their earned income. It's one of the smartest financial moves that you can make for your child's future. And it starts with one decision: opening that custodial Roth IRA. So what exactly is a custodial Roth IRA? Well, since minors can't legally open their own retirement accounts, the IRS allows parents or guardians to step in as the custodian. That means you open the Roth IRA in your teen's name, but you manage it until they reach the legal age, usually between 18 to 21 years old, depending on your state. You'll be in charge of the account, but all the money inside belongs to your child. Now, there is one key requirement. Your teen must have earned income. That means money they make from a job, like working at a grocery store, mowing lawns, babysitting, or doing freelance work. Allowance or birthday gifts do not count. If they make $2,000 in a year, that is the most that they can contribute. The rule is simple. They can contribute up to what they earned, but no more than the annual limit. In this case, in 2025, that is $7,000. Now here's a cool bonus. While only your child's earned income counts towards the contribution limit, you as the parent can actually match what they earn by helping them fund the account. So if your teen makes $2,000, they can contribute that much, but it doesn't have to come from their own pocket. You can step in and match their earnings dollar for dollar from your own money, as long as the total contribution doesn't exceed what they earned or exceed the annual limit. Once the custodial Roth IRA is open and funded, it can be invested just like a regular Roth IRA. That means you're not just letting the money sit there in cash. You're putting it to work in things like index funds, mutual funds, ETFs, or stocks. These are long-term investments that can grow significantly over the decades. With the right investments, their contributions have the potential to multiply many times over by the time they retire. And because it's in a Roth IRA, that growth is completely tax-free. Let's look at a quick example to show just how powerful this can be. Imagine your teen starts working at 16 and contributes just $2,000 a year for 5 years. That's a total of only $10,000 invested, less than most people spend on a used car. But thanks to compound interest, if that money grows at a modest 7% annually and they never add another penny to it, it could grow to over $100,000 by the time they turn 60. That's without lifting a finger after the age of 21. Now, imagine they continue contributing, even if it's just a little bit throughout their 20s and 30s. That same account could easily grow into hundreds of thousands or even over $1 million, completely tax-free. That's the power of a Roth IRA. And the younger they start, the more time that money has to grow and multiply. It's not magic, it's math. And it's on your teen's side if you help them start early. This is why opening a custodial Roth IRA isn't just a good idea, it could be one of the most important financial moves you ever make for your child. Instead of letting those first paychecks disappear on impulse buys, you're showing them how to use the money to build real wealth. You're teaching them to think long term, and that mindset alone sets them apart from most adults. So don't underestimate the impact of those early contributions. Even small amounts, consistently invested, can unlock a future of financial freedom. And the best part is, you don't have to be rich to make this happen. You just need to start. So if you're ready to help open your teens at custodial Roth IRA, the process is actually simpler than most people think. First, choose a reputable brokerage that offers custodial Roth IRAs. Companies like Fidelity, Schwab, and Vanguard are solid options. They have no minimums, low fees, and user-friendly platforms, which makes them perfect for beginners and families just getting started with investing. Once you've picked a brokerage, it's time to set up the account. As the parent or guardian, you'll open the Roth IRA in your name as the custodian, and your teen will be listed as the account owner. You'll manage the account until they reach legal adulthood, which is typically 18 to 21 years old. But don't worry, the setup process usually takes just a few minutes online and is very straightforward. Next, you're going to fund the account. And this part is key. As I said earlier, your teen must have earned income to contribute. So that part-time job, babysitting, mowing lawns, counts. Remember, they can contribute up to the amount they earned with a maximum of $7,000 for 2025. They can fund their account in a lump sum or just a little bit every week. Finally, it's time to invest the money. This is where the magic of compound interest happens. So choose a simple, diversified investment like an S&P 500 index fund like VOO or SPLG, or a total stock market index fund like a CHB or VTSAX, and let it grow. You're not trying to pick the next hot stock or chase some trend. The goal here is long-term, steady growth. Set it and forget it. And over the years, that small seed money could turn into a massive financial win for your teen. So imagine how different your life might be if someone had opened a Roth IRA for you at 15. You might have skipped the student loan trap, felt less pressure to catch up financially in your 30s or 40s, and had the freedom to make career and life choices without being held back by money stress. That's the gift you're giving to your teen. Not just an investment account, but a financial head start that could change their entire future. The beauty of all this is that you don't need to be a financial wizard to make it happen. Just take the first step. Open the account, talk about what it means, and help your teen understand the value of investing early. These small moves plant powerful seeds. You're not just building wealth, you're shaping their mindset, their habits, and their confidence with money. So if this video got you thinking about your child's financial future, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps more parents like you discover this content. Every click, share, and comment spreads the message that it's never too early to start teaching your kids about money. Let's work together to shift the way families talk about finances. So instead of avoiding the topic or waiting until it's too late, we can start planting seeds early. building confident, money-smart kids who grow into financially secure adults, and let's change the conversation about money. One family, one child, one smart decision at a time. If you found this video eye-opening, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who you think needs to hear it. And if you want more practical, no-nonsense advice on building wealth and securing your financial future or the future of your children, check out this video here. And also, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.